The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hello everyone. We had some showers earlier on, but at this point a lot of them are concentrated pretty far towards the north. Now there are some pieces of storminess in Amherst County and into Rockbridge as well, but a lot of what's happening further towards the north is staying at least generally on the calm side. I'll turn on the watches and warnings right now, and there's nothing much more than the flood watch that we've got. Not a lot of flash flood warnings. We haven't had but one flood advisory for today. So that's some good news for us. I will turn on the lightning strikes though, because we have had a decent in the last little bit, 73 for what is showing up on the map right now. Most of those concentrated outside of our region. We did have some in Amherst County. Those have calmed down in the last stretch. So that's good news. Not much rotation to go with it. Just the one thing I'm keeping an eye on is the rainfall in Pocahontas and Greenbrier counties. Thankfully, it's light for now, but if that picks up, could end up with some flood advisories. Since we haven't seen too many flash flood warnings so far today, I wouldn't expect a whole lot more as the evening goes along. From here on out, we're going to see the rain diminish, especially by 9 p.m. There's not much left over at that point, and then by midnight we're pretty dry. We stay dry going into Monday morning. Not a lot happening on Monday. Some sprinkles here and there. That's about it. As we get towards 9 p.m., it's a little bit more robust, but it really takes until Tuesday for anything of strength to develop. Now, today we've been in a level 2 risk for flooding. Thankfully, it has stayed pretty low, but we're not technically outside of the flood watch until midnight, so we're still keeping an eye on things. Monday, we're well outside of any flood advisory, and we are outside of any severe storm potential as well. That's good news because what we've had over the past few days has really built up. I mean, on Saturday alone, some places in the Highlands got 1 to 2 inches, and same thing into south side parts of the NRV. So the environment was really primed for some flooding with all this rain building up and not too many places for it to go. The good news about us drying out is it'll actually let some of the water be where it needs to be. So the abnormally dry conditions that we've got in the ground, and especially the moderate drought that we've got into the Highlands, will be able to be helped out by this extra rainfall. I don't know that it's going to be a massive change, but a lot of these yellow counties, especially as you get towards the NRV and towards south side, with the rain from the past few days, that will improve. Tonight's temperatures fall to the 60s and even some 50s here and there, like Blacksburg and Floyd at 59, Danville 63, and Lexington 62. So that's going to help us be a little bit more comfortable on Monday. Now, the good news about Monday is that even though our temperatures are technically warmer, Roanoke at 85, same thing in Danville, Pulaski at 79, it's going to feel pretty nice. Not too much humidity. The sun is shining pretty consistently with these partly cloudy skies that we have, and there's no showers that we have to deal with. Tuesday's a different story. Isolated storms later in the day, but temperatures are about the same. It takes until Wednesday for that cold front to bring the temperatures back down. 70s there, and after that, a nice long stretch of 70s with high pressure that keeps us clear through Saturday and Sunday. On the 3-degree guarantee, adding on another $10 for today with a high of 77, almost to 300 so far. Back to you, Sydney.